My name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We have an amazing 1969 Roadrunner. This is a high-end custom restoration. It is a real Roadrunner. We got a 440 pack, air conditioning, all the goodies, a pistol grip 4-speed, leather custom interior. This thing is really nice. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study 100 pictures, and get the price. Not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars, and they're all for sale. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Right now, let's go for a spin in this gorgeous 69 Roadrunner. There's about 2,400 miles on this car since it's been completely done up from the ground up. I tell you, I've been going after the best of the best. I keep raising the bar, and I'm going after the really premium cars. This is one of them. The fit and finishes inside and out are exceptional. Not very nice, but really nice. Underneath the car, the suspension is all redone. The front end's rebuilt, new shocks, upgraded sway bars, got disc brakes in front. That's all done. The floors are all clean, rust-free metal floors. Look up at the motor, it's all clean. It's got the original numbers matching, VIN number match 4-speed trans in there. The motor is a 1970 block, so it is a good block, but it's not the one that came with the car. And it does have its original 355 Sure Grip rear end. We were told all that's been rebuilt. It's got a nice new custom exhaust system with the crossover pipe. So underneath the car is really nice, but up on top is where it gets really good. Outstanding body, laser straight, precise fit and finish. Everything lines up square, flush. The doors shut like a new car. Well, I didn't do it quite hard enough. But everything lines up super slick. No cracking, no shrinking, no problem areas, no bubbles. It's just polished like yellow glass everywhere you look. I think it's called Sunfire Yellow. Now obviously we have the lift-off hood here. I set it up like this because I wasn't going to try doing this by myself on the video. You can see all the pictures on our website with the hood on and with the hood completely off. But this is when you get to the show. It has these nice polished bars that were custom made, and you put the pins back in. This is how you display it at a car show. But this lift-off hood is slick, very high gloss black. It says 446 pack. This side of the car is just as nice. The body's pristine. All the stainless looks like it's been straightened and polished. It looks like all the glass in the car is new. I was rolling up the windows, and they have a really light smoke to them. They're not blacked out windows, but they have a nice light tint. And yeah, they got to be new. They're crystal clear glass. Inside here, I'll get to the interior, but I don't want to forget a really nice custom not sport deck, but a rear deck here with the speakers. It's all custom. It's done up really nice. The stripe, the bumblebee stripe, you don't even feel it. And instead of having the Super Bee in there, it has the Roadrunner. And again, you don't feel that at all. I don't even know how they did that. 6 coats of clear on here is how they did it. Radial BF Goodrich redline tires, has the black rims. This is supposed to represent the M12, I think it's called. That's the 446 pack with the lift-off hood, no hubcaps. It's like their race edition they had back then. So it's a real Roadrunner with an M12 tribute. But the mirrors, door handles, all that is nice. Motor's completely rebuilt. Show quality. The whole engine bay, if you haven't noticed, is all boxed and clean. There's no exposed wires and hoses. Everything's tidy. Smooth firewall. Does have an Edelbrock intake, 3 Holley carbs, finned aluminum valve covers and air cleaners. They all match. Billet pulleys and brackets, serpentine belt, aluminum alternator, aluminum AC compressor, aluminum radiator. It's got headers. That's a show quality motor compartment. The interior is very luxurious. This is all soft leather. I mean soft, and everything. The pillars are wrapped, the dash, the glove box door, all of that is wrapped. We'll get back to that in a second. Tail lights look new, bumpers are new, got nice stainless tips. This is painted as slick as the outside. Obviously it's all boxed and carpeted real nicely. This door does open. You have a Optima battery in there with a disconnect switch, a little extra storage. You've also got a CD changer, and you've got the modern stereo with the CD player in the stereo. All leather seats. It's a power seat. They recline. The back seat is upholstered exactly to match. The door panels are all custom. The armrest. It's a completely custom dash. Not just custom gauges, but that dash is reconfigured. Nice clean set of gauges. Nice vintage air heater controls. This has power windows. The door windows are power. The switches are under the dash. You want to keep things nice and clean. Also has power steering. It's a billet power steering pump. Power brakes with a polished aluminum master cylinder. Has the premium fittings on the hoses. Nice billet distributor. I'm going to start it up. I drove this car. It was my day off. My wife and I spent the whole afternoon driving it. Does everything right, shifts through the gears, stops, steers, does everything right. I felt completely confident. It's got the pistol grip, of course, got to have that. Again, this is all custom, all wrapped in leather. Beautiful steering wheel. It's got the beep beep horn, which as soon as I can find the right key, we'll start it and hit the horn. Oh yeah, really nice headliner too. It's all leather, all like one piece with a nice center insert. The visors are wrapped. It's all soft. The knobs are backlit on the heater and air controls. Not completely warmed up yet. We just pulled it from the showroom into here. That's still idling just fine. That door shuts nice. I mean, isn't this car outstanding? Could you picture yourself at a car show with this hood displayed like that, and the qualities, the fit and finish? When you're driving the car, the interior makes you feel like you're in a new modern luxury car. This is nice. The grille is all restored. If you want like the best of the best, this is one of them right here. You can visit volocars.com. There's plenty of ways to contact our salesman. I just gave you my honest impression, what I know of the car. If you have specific questions or concerns, feel free to ask them and they will assist you. They'll also help with all the paperwork, financing, delivery. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoyed these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you will be the first to see the next one that's posted. Thanks for watching.